Hey, John.
Hi, Malcolm.
Do you ever have issues with dishes?
Wow, I'm so glad you asked. I don't know how any of this works.
Well, John, and kids, it's time to learn some helpful life tips through the magic of rap.
Parents, we'll take it from here.
Dishwasher Loadin. We load in the dishes. Dishwasher Loadin. Fulfilling your wishes.
Load the plates, big to small, from the outside in. Put utensils right side up in the utensil bin.
Top rack, the cups and mugs go on the outside. And then all bowls go on the inside. Dishwasher Loadin. We load in the dishes. Dishwasher Loadin. You think the parents are still watching?
Nah, I think it's been enough time.
Go to class, get a college degree. Fuck that bullshit, smoke weed. Really wanna blow your mind. Powder and liquid same time. High as fuck, up in space. Mountain of blow, Scarface. Bottle of wine, Bordeaux. See a girl, what up, ho? Hot to fucking feels great. Big ass clapping up late. Take that hoe to night school. Spin her around whirlpool. Yay, oxygen lean. We call that an OxyClean. Take it to the junior prom. Fuck your date and a mom.
Break into the gas and go. Hit 'em with that cash and go. Hold 'em up for all they got. Fuck it if you get caught. Go ahead, do that crime. Picks up on you from behind. Flex on 'em, fuck the police. Make 'em bleed that bacon grease. Parents out of town, throw a party. Lick a cabinet, find that bubbly. Drinking and fucking all night. Clean out crystal, jet dry. Using protection, fuck that. Spit on it and put it back. Even though you just met, spray her with that turbo jet.
Thanks for watching Tips for Kids.
Tell your parents you learned something.
And find their credit card to buy our 8 CD set.
Bye!